In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bundle products WooCommerce tutorial. Whether you're selling a phone with an earphone or any pair of items that belong together, I'll walk you through creating a single product page that represents your bundle from start to finish. First, open your WordPress website and head to your dashboard. Make sure you're using an admin account so you can install plugins. Next, we'll add the e-commerce engine. Go to the plugins area, search for WooCommerce, then click Install and Activate. The installation may take a moment. That's normal. When it's active, you'll see WooCommerce options appear in your dashboard. If a setup screen pops up, you can review it, but for now, we're focusing on adding our bundled product. Now, let's create the product itself. In your dashboard, open Products and choose Add New. Give your bundle a clear, descriptive name so shoppers immediately understand what's included. For example, smartphone plus earphones bundle. A precise title helps with search and avoids confusion. Add visuals next. Click. Add media, then upload an image that shows the items together, such as a photo of the phone alongside the earphones. High-quality images reduce returns and pre-sale questions because customers can see exactly what they're getting. Once uploaded, select the image and insert it into the product. With your image in place, fill in the essential details. The most important field here is the price because you're selling the bundle as a single product. Enter the full price for the combined items. In the description area, explain what's inside the bundle, any variations or colors that are fixed, and what's not included. Clarity prevents misunderstandings and sets the right expectations. If you like, you can also add a brief summary in the short description area to highlight the key benefit of buying the items together, such as a better deal or convenience. Take a quick moment to proofread your title and description and confirm the price reflects the entire bundle. When everything looks good, click Publish. WordPress will save your changes and make the product live on your store. That's all you need to do to get your bundle ready for customers. In a future session, you can explore advanced bundling options, but for now, you've mastered the essentials. Open WordPress, install and activate WooCommerce, create your product, add media, set the price, and publish. If you ever need to update details, just edit the product anytime.